Hi dear friends, today we are doing our evening project activity, time capsule. The childhood photos you see here are ours.
They show our childhood. They represent our best friends, and they grew with us since 2010. They important to us.
Hello, we are Kırklareli Social Sciences High School. On the board, there are childhood photos of 30 people, and you can see our names.
These photos mean our childhood, and we have grown very well. These photos include our memories, our clothing, our everything. We have grown very well. We are still children, but it's been a lot since these photos were taken. And you can see our generation looking like this right now.
Therefore, this is not a collection of pictures. This also means as a time, memory, and personal growth.